Well, hello there. Welcome to another edition of Nick's Friction Zone. Today, I'm going to give you a simple yet necessary demonstration of the Cone Weave Exercise. So why is this important, you may ask? Well, if you're just starting your journey as a motorcycle rider, or if you're about to take the MSF class, then you should know that passing this exercise, it's a must. There's no way around it. In fact, when you take your MSF course and you take the test at the end, this is probably going to be the very first exercise that you need to prove to the instructors that you can do. Now, what is this cone weave exercise, you may ask? Well, this is a test where on a straight path, you will place a minimum of 5 cones 12 feet apart, and sometimes you would offset them, zigzag them horizontally 2 feet apart, just like this diagram. If you're thinking about taking the MSF class soon, I highly recommend you try this yourself in a parking lot. In fact, when I took my MSF class, there was this guy in the class. He proclaimed to be a rider with 12 years of experience in Europe riding scooters. Guess what? When he took the test, he failed because of this cone weave exercise. Now, if you don't have cones at your disposal, you can still practice it by zigzagging across a straight line, just like I'm doing it on the video right now. Okay, you're going to be a little bit off because you're not going to know exactly how far apart each cone is, but that's okay. The whole point is practice, 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 and after you're done, go practice some more. If you don't have a motorcycle yet, you can also do this on a bicycle. The principles are the same. Just remember that when weaving through the cones, the key is to countersteer and lean your bike. That's what this whole thing proves, your ability to lean your bike without fear. If you don't lean your bike, you will have a hard time weaving through the cones, especially if you are on a heavy motorcycle. And that's it. I hope this helps you guys in your journey. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.